So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome in this special video. This video is gonna be special and very different because this video is gonna be a unboxing video. Yes guys, I am not lying, I am telling you the truth. Today I am gonna unbox a very important product for myself and also for all of the YouTubers who wanna make their YouTube videos more good and also more beautiful, and it is gimbal. Yes guys, gimbal. I also always practice English by walking, by going near and there for making videos. This gimbal is not very costly gimbal. This is a budget friendly gimbal, and that's why today I am gonna make this video. So the gimbal that I am gonna unbox in this video, this gimbal name is Digitech DSG00F7 gimbal, and this gimbal is very beautiful gimbal, and also I have brought it from Amazon. You also can buy it. In the end of the video I will share and I will reveal the budget of the gimbal, and also after watching all of the features, all of the working models, you will not believe when I will say to you the main and also the real cost of this gimbal. But where is the gimbal? Okay, the gimbal will come and also I will start the unboxing. But first of all guys, please like this video and also subscribe this channel. Your one like, one subscribe give me a lots of motivation and support. So just bring my table now. Okay, now here it is my table where I am gonna unbox. But where is the gimbal? Can you see and can you notice my gimbal? Yes, you are right. It's behind me. As you can see, it is the brand new Digitech gimbal. So now I am gonna unbox it with my scissor. So as you can see, this is the gimbal and this is the product. Wow guys, it has come in a very nice and very beautiful cover and also packet. So here you can see it is the gimbal. Wow, this is very beautiful, very beautiful gimbal, Digitech, and this is our gimbal model. As you can see, this is our gimbal, how the model will come, and here we can attach our phone, any kinds of camera and also a lot of things. You also can just go and you can carry this gimbal in your pocket. Yes, it's very nice. So now let's open the seal here from. I will open it very carefully. Book. In this book, all of the features, all of the functions are written, so it's very important. I will read it and then after I will understand it. And as you can see, there is a stand. It is a tripod and it is in plastic. Here you can see it is a simple small like a screw, and we also can attach the gimbal here and we can keep it somewhere like this. It's very beautiful. It's a mini tripod. So now here is also you can see here. So this is a band which also we can use in our hand like this, and there is also the next thing. It is a cable. Okay, a charging cable. It's very beautiful, and wow, I am very surprised. You can see the bag of the gimbal. This gimbal is very small. Here in the bag there is also the branding which is Digitech, and it's very beautiful. This is one kind of like this, the bag will work, but this bag is very nice and very soft to touch. So now it's the main part, and it is the time for our gimbal. Now guys, it is the gimbal. This is very small. As you can see, this is my hand and this is the gimbal. So now let's open it. So if we do it, then in a plastic cover it is come. Oh my god, this is the gimbal. Very beautiful. very nice gimbal. This gimbal is very nice gimbal, guys. As you can see, this is the gimbal, this is my face, this is my hand, and it's also, the whole thing is in plastic. I also don't know the no material, but it's a little bit powerful than plastic. So it is the head, you can see this is the Digitech, and this is the thing, this is the gimbal. And also we can open it easily. You can see the front part, the back part, everything you can see. So there are all the features, like I think this is the rotation button, this is the on mode, and also this is the plug. And also we can attach this tripod with this gimbal like it. Okay, as you also can see, thing is like this, and here it is. Wow, guys, this is very nice and very beautiful. So now let's see what is the features of this gimbal. This is our gimbal, and also I have learned all of the things, all of the features, all of the options of this gimbal. And now I also can use this gimbal anytime, anywhere, anyhow, with only one my phone. As you can see, this is my phone and this is the gimbal. But it's very nice. As you also can see, this is a band where I also can just put my hand like this, and now if anytime if it falls, then it will just stuck like it. So that's why it's very simple, very lightweighted, and this is very nice gimbal. So now let's attach our phone. It's very easy to attach, as you also can see, this is the gimbal like that. You also can stretch. So this is my phone, and easily what I will do, the thing that I will do, it's like this. Okay, I'm also a new, so that's why after a few days it will be like I will learn it. So here you can see, this is the simple thing. And now also we also can't make videos like it. So now what I will do, how we also can start this gimbal, it's very nice. Just come here close. So as you also can see, there are few options, there are also few buttons in the gimbal, like it is the rotation and it is the on off, this is the mode, and also there are lots of things. As you also can see, this is, there are some dots, and this is the charge. So this is the gimbal and this is the stand. So only what we will do, we will just press the on button for only 1 second. As you also can see, this is a very beautiful thing now in front of my hand. It is very nice and it is very beautiful. And now it is in how I will make this in horizontal, because I always make videos which is in the horizontal and also which is in the like blog videos, YouTube videos. So that's why I will just press it one time, press the power button only one time. As you also can see, all of the features they are right, and also they have drawn. So one time and it is. So this is the thing, as you also can see. And now anywhere I also can go, I can make videos like it, like now how guys, how you want. And also, and as you can see, if I just move my hand, come closer, if I just move my hands a little bit like this, the gimbal also will move little bit this and little bit this. And also there are a lot of modes. So as you also can see, this is the charge mode, the charge, the percentage they are shown, this is the battery, and the dots, like there you can see 2% charge. And also mode, there are some modes are there, like FPV mode, LF mode, HF mode, HF mode, and also AF mode. So now how and what is the uses? So when you will start using this gimbal, then you will understand the uses of it. Now also I am new, I am learning it, but first of all I will show you how to change a mode. Now also, as you can see, this gimbal is in HF mode. I can just rotate this gimbal like this. Okay, I can rotate this gimbal, I can do this up and down, I also can move it like this, but if I try to do up, then it will not go up. If I try to do down, it will not go down. But when I will press the mode button only one time, then the mode will change. How? Like as you can see now, as you also can see the blue light in the HF. Now this blue light will go in LF by in one click. As you can see, now it is in LF mode, and now I will transfer it to the FPV mode. Here you can see FPV mode. It is now the FPV mode and also AF mode. AF mode is the best mode for to make videos, for to make the blogging videos. Like also now here it is the gimbal, it is the phone. If I do this, then it will go like this. If I do this, it will go like this. If I do up, then it will up. If I do down, it will down. So this is, and also easily you can make videos. How much you shake your hands, this phone, the stand will not shake, it will be like this. Like also just like I am jumping, I am running, and also this is very beautiful. As you also can see the video that I am making, this is with this gimbal. Yes guys, as you can see, this is the performance of this gimbal, and I am so impressed with this gimbal, because the budget and also the price of the gimbal, it is very low, but it is the work and also the performance of this gimbal is very high. And also this gimbal is like one kind of a very costly gimbal, and also it's giving the all of the activities, all of the performance, all of and everything like a very costly gimbal. So now guys, it is the time for to reveal the gimbal price. So this gimbal price is very low, which is very and also nearly 6,000 rupees. Yes, 6,000 rupees. And if you want to make your videos, your YouTube videos, blogging more professional, then this gimbal is very perfect for all of the people. And I want to share one thing, that now the phone that I am using, it is my Android phone, Redmi, and there is no any kinds of like balance and also gimbal stabilization in this phone. It's fully raw video, and also I'm making this video with this gimbal. As you can see, this is looking very nice. It's me, and also I am moving it, and now I am making this video in the AF mode. As you also can see, whatever I want to show, I can. So guys, it was the videos. If you like this video, and if you also like this gimbal which is in my hand, then guys, don't forget to like this video and also share your thoughts, your thinking in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because in this channel, like this video, we will do more new videos which is about unboxing and also English learning, English practicing. And after few days I also will post videos, and I will start posting videos with this gimbal. I have brought this gimbal for one reason, which is making videos, and I make videos for my English development, for to fight with my fear. I will go everywhere in front of public places and also in front of people, and I will take my gimbal and I will also speak the English language like hi my friends, hi everyone, and also it will be very great. And also a lot of new tips and tricks I will share, and also with the help of them you also will be able to speak the English language like me. So if you don't want to miss all of those upcoming English videos, unboxing videos, then also don't forget me. And also if you don't want to forget me, then guys, please just subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon. I am Pratik Burman here, and bye bye. I'll meet you in the another next videos where great my nothing is little, and just subscribe and hit the bell icon. So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome in this brand new video.